done walking and I'm tired. And I got this AC blasting like crazy. I don't like to, the trail is right by my house, but I do not like to, I don't like to walk from my apartment out the neighborhood to go to this trail because that walk back into the neighborhood is so crucial. After doing all that walking, I think I want to walk on some hills and stuff. No. So I'm about to just go home and take a shower for sure. So this is day 2 of me. I'm going to be walking at least 2 miles every day. So yesterday I was at the actual gym and I did only 15 minutes on the treadmill and 15 minutes on the elliptical. But I'm almost there. I'm at 2 miles right now. And I'm on the way back to my car. But yeah, this is the start of my journey. Girl, heck no. That literally tastes like rubbing alcohol. Straight rubbing alcohol. Nothing.
It's still freezing to me.
I wish I could swim.
I don't even want to move. Girl, stop. Making the cold air come over me.
Come here, just get in.
I'm
Like
in.
a
What do
little
you mean?
thing. I want to get off your lash.
What? Girl, you're going to take the whole lash.
I'm just kidding. It's like a little hair.
Let's look at that hair, girl.
Oh God.
Didn't I tell you I said this? It's not like that though, because we're already 5 feet, so like, that's just not that. Are you still recording? I think I can. No. I've never been able to float. I have. Swim. I've only been able to swim like.
Oh, this is taking in my lungs. Look at it. What is this? Oh my God.
I can only swim like underwater, like, unfortunately.
I feel like my lungs are like trying to come up. Wait a minute.
Dang, where'd my pinky go?
Okay, let me see.
Hold on before you start kicking. Before you start kicking, child, let me get out of the way.
No, I'm trying to flip. Hey, I got my drink underwater.
Girl, get that drink.
Oh my God. No. Y'all, I haven't been in a pool since like, not my shades being. I haven't been in a pool since, oh God, my lash. I haven't been in a pool since probably 2014. And I used to know how, I didn't know how to swim, still don't know how to swim, but I used to know how to float. And I don't think I got it no more. Cause look, like, so. Oh, I just hurt my knee. I'm gonna learn. That's gonna be my mission today. Learn how to float again.
For me, I would have drowned by now.
Okay,
See,
I
you're
think
floating. I've never been able to float. That's so crazy. That's
you
crazy.
should try it, but
Oh,
water
wow.
is in my.
Nah, not with my hair, because I would have to wash my hair. I ain't washing my hair.
I can't do it fast.
I don't know. It's just weird because, like, you know, sometimes I be like mellow, and then sometimes Hating ass.
Let me see if I can float, mama.
Girl, float by yourself. I just can't pick you up.
I can. Just can't
Even on
Y'all, I dang near baptized myself. Like, I'm over here editing and like, I'm so weak.
right now. Like, that's
They ain't gonna see you with me. Get the towel out the water.
That was you.
God.
That was you. That other towel belongs to me. I'm just
No.
telling you. Yes.
Get the towel out the
It's out
water. Bring it out. What are you doing? Get my towel off the concrete. Are you serious?
Hold on.
Give me.
No,
Give me.
No.
Okay. This is gonna be the end of this
That's my music, guys.
pool vlog. So see you guys later. See you on the flip side. Bye, babes. Okay, now we're about to leave the pool. Please get my lashes. Please.
Is that it? Oh, my nails. We can't leave with your lashes and not my nails.
Oh, God. Okay, let me hold the cup. Come here.
Here's one.
You're not gonna find all of
Hold
them.
on, I just need 3. That's it. 3. Here we go.
the nails and the lashes. Did we come this way?
Yeah, we did.
Get on this side. I don't remember. What bottles?
You took the shot bottle?
I threw them in the trash.
Okay.
Girl. Dang, I forgot my thing broke. Okay. It don't matter. We just gonna go. It feels good though. Y'all, I can't believe my lashes. They came off. There was supposed to be some waterproof glue. It didn't. And my bun just all hanging down now. Ooh. Girl, dang, why we didn't drive?
Go by. I don't want this shit right.
Hey y'all. So we just got back in the house. Then, oh good. Take a shower and go eat or something. My hair is a hot mess. But yeah, we're good.
Drought and famine, natural disasters. My baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah.
Okay, I just finished all my makeup. I just put these eye drops in because my eyes are super dry. Did it turn out cute? Trying to look pretty. Here you go. Look at this. Hold on. probably about to sit here on this couch and do some pictures or something. Oh yes, because I got brown on it. It's gonna be cute. I'm gonna take some pictures. Okay. So right now I'm just chilling. So I done took a shower and did my makeup. And now I'm waiting on my friend because I guess she got too towed. And then she's like there's just sleeping or something. So I was over here just taking pictures on my story. See my story. Y'all need to follow me on Instagram at __ Ciara the Shade. It's in the description. Yes, y'all need to go follow me. Why is my thing not loading? I'm tired. I'm hungry. I want to go follow me. It needs to focus. See if it can focus. Follow me on Instagram. But I want to go eat at it's this place called Eddie's Place. I used to get breakfast from there all the time, but I don't think I ever got any lunch. Or we're gonna go somewhere else. I don't know, but she don't want to go nowhere. We're gonna go somewhere. As soon as she wake up and get herself together, we're going. But I think I need to just take I don't want to take a nap, but oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna go outside and take some more pictures because girl, I need some more pictures. Okay, something. It feels so good. Like she needs to wake up. It feels so good out here. Like I just want to go get something to eat because I'm hungry. I don't want to eat at the house, so it's like, no. While I'm waiting, or while I'm like lollygagging, y'all. So in one of my videos, I had posted. I did like a night before, like a little recap of like me and my brother. Girl, my nails is like how much, but of me and my brother, and I had posted how we were supposed to be doing these plants. Our plants are like just trash. This was supposed to be a watermelon. Like I think they just stopped growing. Like where did they? And they just look, girl. That's why I gotta buy the fake plants, because ain't no way that these plants are just staying alive. Because these plants are like dying. And I've been watering them a little bit. So I don't know what's been going on. They just don't want to do right. I don't know. This sun feels so good. Oh my god. And I'm just sitting here crouched down like, oh, it feels so good outside. Oh my god, look at the sky. It's so pretty. Like, it's just so pretty. I'm gonna see if I can get her up because, like, it's hot, but it feels good. Like, come on now. The sun. I'm about to go back in the house because my friend, you need to wake up. Because I'm trying to go eat. And I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Yeah. I think I'm okay now. Y'all, look who's finally up. It's the what?
The bounce.
Because look, eat some crackers. I've been waiting for her to get up off the floor.
And to be able to eat solid food. I wasn't even able to eat.
Oh my gosh.
I'm up now. That's crazy. I just got up out of nowhere like a zombie.
Like, for real. I was like, okay, I guess she's up now. Just give me your time. Just let you get yourself together. At this point.
If I would have been able to smoke, I feel like it would have been much more smoother.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm trying not to smoke, so.
Girl.
Crazy the hard way.
So we just got here to Eddie's place to get our food. We are doing takeout since somebody is like drained. So we're just waiting on our food. Dang, probably can hear the AC. It's okay.
It feels really good.
Better than an apartment because it's super cold. Okay, we're about to go get our food. I'm back at home. My feet hurt. My food. I got some grapes. Some cheese grapes. We got some sausage and pancakes. Like, dang, that whole thing just dented my whole pancake. Still gonna taste the same. So, ooh, don't mind my pillow. Don't mind my room right now because this happens. But I'm just watching, just chilling, watching TV. My friend, she's in the living room, still asleep or something. I don't know. I got a book right here. But have y'all ever watched Claws? Like, I just got into Claws on
I haven't talked to you all day. I've been calling you. I've been
I
texting
know,
you.
it's like, I don't know. But I gotta watch All American too because it just came back on. Season 4? I think it's season 4, I don't know. But I'm about to just lay down, relate here for a minute, and probably gonna be taking a nap or something.
Can we please?
Yeah, seriously, Moo's trying to take me out with a chicken hand. I gotta focus, Virginia.
I love this show. I really do. So yeah, I'm about to do that. So if not, this is probably gonna be the end of the vlog. So then I'll see you guys later. And thank you for coming, looking at my video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend.
In the middle of the goddamn slump, running around this thing all day, trying to save some
Thank you for supporting me, guys. I really appreciate you. I appreciate it. I love you guys. Bye. Oh, baby, he done passed out. See you later.